Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chingalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Humintri rangba jong jelaw konrad kongkel sangma haka atrik ujumang arajar apulai. Ulai thu bag sorkar India kal ai jing menjur ya mining lease tang nak benta ki saungut ki nong ti pa Dewïong bat ka jipin kre ki kot kisla ban sedang no ya jing ti Dewïong da ka juk start sayan lani scientific mining hapo Meghalaya kan sedang no shen. Hak jing kran bikilat patai kubur hadim balawai ke jingalang apareng CMPDI ketanat forest bat ketanat mining ukonrat sangma ulai thu bag jing kran ya tai ka long halor ke jing penyo biang ya ki parti Dewïong. Susu ulai thu bag sarkar jela kalamudui daga mukot luma house nam araja khandai ha Supreme Court ban wengno ya ko hukum khang ti Dewïong jong ka National Green Tribunal hakbak Supreme Court kala batha ya sarkar Meghalaya ban ya sarkar India ban pinkhre ya mining plan ban ya mining lease khanang ban island no ya jing ti Dewïong daga jing start sayan khanang ban lai na jing sha punjulo jong ka mei maryang.
This is a meeting that was was held between CMPDI and our Department of Forest and Mining, and the main objective is to work towards a plan for the reclamation of the mines. So whether it is minor minerals or major minerals, as you're aware that we have been working and there is a fund available with us for reclamation of the mines, and hence this is a process which we want to start, and we have been engaging with many agencies, but now CMPDI, which is a very experienced agency, and the Government of India agency, is an agency which has vast experience in all these aspects. So we had a detailed meeting with them, and we are working towards how we should move forward for this entire issue of land reclamation. The process of ensuring that we have the scientific mining to start as per the guidelines of the Government of India. So we're supposed to have the prospecting part done, then geological surveys done. After that, the mining lease is then given to the respective miners, and that is actually the most critical part. So Government of India has to approve the mining lease. Once the mining leases are done, then the mining plan, of course, then has to be put in place. But those are more formalities which will happen, and also the entire plan for the forest clearance, and also the public hearing will take place. So these are only procedural aspects. The main hurdle for the process of scientific mining, or mining to start in a scientific manner, was the mining lease. And I'm happy to inform all of you that about a week, 10 days back, Government of India has approved the mining lease to be given to 4 miners. So hence we have overcome the largest hurdle that we had for the process of scientific mining and legal mining, as we would call it, to start in the state. We will finally see that we will move towards the aspect of scientific mining. Of course, the actual implementation will have to be done then by the respective miners on the technology to be implemented as per the mining plan. But my point is that from that moment, so the moment the lease was given, that is a very, very important step, because after that, now, as I said, we have crossed the most difficult hurdle, and now we are on our way to see the process of scientific and legal mining starting in our state. Lease, the agencies or the miners who have received the mining lease have invited us, and have invited me and called me to felicitate. So in response to their invitation, I will be going, and of course I'll be having a meeting with them, and they're having a small program where they would like to felicitate as a government, they would like to felicitate myself and other ministers from the government in a way to showcase their gratitude towards the efforts that were made by the government in ensuring that we reached to this point. So it's a program being organized by the miners. It's not a government program, but government obviously is also collaborating in the sense that administration and all is involved. But it's purely a program that is the miners who have received the mining lease are organizing. Of course, we will not see everything change in a matter of days, or we're not going to see everything change in a matter of months also. It will take time. But at least there is a clarity now. At least we know where we are heading now. At least the fact that we are going to see the scientific and legal mining start within a matter of months is something that's going to happen now. Before this, though we knew that we are moving in the direction, we didn't know when and how it would happen. But now it is clear. Now from here onwards, we just have to ensure that now we keep improving on those provisions. We keep improving, we keep expanding, we keep giving more and more people their licenses and the lease, mining lease that is required. We means Government of India. And that way we'll be able to expand, and we'll try to get as many people on board as possible, so that once again we'll be able to see the mining sector grow in the way it was before the NGT ban.